What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome back to Old Time Auto Repair for our second video and a series of
right along.
Yeah, moving along. What, 14 days without a post?
Maybe longer than that.
Yeah, but the beautiful thing about all this, guys, we're making progress. We have what,
28 days.
28 days until we move into the new
Well,
shop.
today's the 3rd, so
27 days.
27.
27 days, and content is going to start trickling in slowly but surely. And guys, when I tell you it's gonna, when it rains, it pours. Content's gonna be flooding your pages, guys. We have so much work to do at this shop. We have so much to do in general outside of the shop to get everything ready. So that's gonna be a huge thing. You guys are gonna watch this shop go from a dirty mess to something hopefully beautiful like the Mona Lisa.
But bear in mind, before we actually start cleaning, you will get a complete shop tour the day we walk in here. Before anyone does anything, right now we have about 10 people that are going to be here on the 1st to assist with cleaning this place up.
Absolutely, and I got to bring all my toolboxes and all that stuff over. Got to bring a cabinet over. We kind of established where my bay is going to be. So any of my classic lines automotive guys that are familiar with my tool setup, I'm going to be posting some stuff up at my shop currently for toolbox tours and stuff like that. That way, anyone that's coming over this page that's not familiar with me can see what we're kind of working with on my end.
I think a good thing for your classic lines would be moving Kevin's stuff from his existing box to the one that the old owner is giving him. I think that would make great content.
Oh, it would definitely. I mean, guys, because if you're on this page, you love classic cars, you might love us. I know my wife doesn't, because there's no. So, hey, at least we love each other for now. But love tools, cars, all that stuff. Shop renovations, cleaning, and building something awesome. We appreciate you being along for the ride. We want to bring that stuff to you. So that's going to be an awesome thing. Plenty of tools, plenty of cars, plenty of shop talk.
Lots of shop talk.
Yeah, we got here about an hour ago.
Pretty much. A little over.
Yeah,
No, almost 2 hours now.
Oh, I spent 2 hours with you already today? Wow.
And the wife already called you.
Yeah, and your wife called you. God bless those women. But
Yeah, but mine wasn't looking for me.
oh yeah, mine's always looking for me. The telephone book comes in handy, guys. Doesn't leave marks. Wonder who taught her that trick. Anyways, moving on, guys, because my wife's gonna watch us and beat me. We kind of spent some time in the parts room, or would you say the old parts room?
Yeah, it's going to be the old parts room.
Yes.
I'll insert that video here.
Good. You guys will be getting more involved with Bill on the channel because, well, we'll be working together. Now, I hope you guys like shop renovation videos, and I know you guys like tools and tool talk and all that fun stuff. So this room.
And pretty much, we sat there and straightened it up where we couldn't see the floor, and now...
Okay, guys, so this is what is the parts room at the moment. And Joe and I was in here this morning. You couldn't even walk in this place this morning. And all it took was a little bit of time semi-moving stuff. Now, bear in mind, none of this belongs to us at the moment. But this is where we're going to end up putting the studio, or where we're going to be creating all our fabulous content and having a place to sleep when the wives are mad at us.
Oh, I already picked out my corner.
And now all this that was in the parts room, I assume, some of it belongs to some of the vehicles that are here. Some of it, I'm not sure exactly what it is yet. That's AC parts for the Torino job that's coming in. That's the rest of the engine parts for the
No, that's the Torino part.
that's the Gran Torino, the 428 parts for that. That's for the Fairlane, sorry. 70 Fairlane AC parts over there.
Hood for the 52.
The hood for the Ford truck in the shop.
Dash parts for the 69 Mustang.
Yep.
That's
And
your
a lot of
transmission.
spare pieces and parts and all that. But Eventually all this will be out of here. We plan on getting a container to put outside in a particular spot to store all our stuff in. Repaint this room. Redo the floor because it's pretty bad. And we'll make this all happen. But you will see all that on a future video. Because all this stuff's got to be moved out when we come in for the first weekend. Because we only got these 10 people for the weekend. Maybe not all of them for the weekend. I try to get as much done as we can in a short amount of time.
Music will be blasting, beer will be cold, and paint will be flowing along with the water.
Absolutely.
So I'm looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to the podcast. That's the biggest thing, guys. I don't know what name it's going under yet, but it will be happening because, well, we like talking about tools and cars and stuff like that. So on your morning commute, guys, you get to listen to us. Hopefully on one of your favorite podcasting stations.
Wherever you find your favorite podcast, it should be there.
So, game plan.
Absolutely.
Upon turning wrenches, because guys, I mean,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, we're just working
Gotta do the
schmucks.
work to make the money to do everything else.
This is just extracurriculars for you guys.
Sounds
So.
good. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Well, as you guys seen, what we did in the room next door. The next couple of weeks is going to be very busy with finishing up all the legalities, getting all the business licenses set and running and all that happy fun stuff.
A lot of phone calls.
But the next major probably video you're going to see will be after the first, when you actually see this place in its entirety and what kind of dumb decisions we actually made.
I make them every day. I'm not a smart man. But,
Keep watching Classic Lines Automotive because he'll be able to post more content than I can at this time.
correct. And I'm looking forward to it. Poor Life Decision Express, baby.
And they're still trying to get Kevin to show himself on camera.
Oh.
I'll get him there.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely we'll just throw them on there like sink or swim type thing. But guys, it's been fun. Stick around for more content. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It's free. You know.
It helps us out.
Yeah, exactly.
And we will eventually have some sort of merchandise.
Absolutely,
We've
t-shirts.
got a lot to do before we even worry about that.
Yeah, so guys, just don't be afraid to hit those buttons and help a couple broke ass crackers out.
We will be by the end of the month.
End of the month, what about now? But guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep on us. We're gonna have more content for you. It's coming. Probably a couple weeks.
Yeah, about 27 days before the official move-in party.
Yeah, and then we're having beer and pizza, right?
They're either beer and pizza or beer and hot dogs
Oh,
or
yeah.
beer and hamburgers. Yeah, beer and brats. I don't care what it is.
I'm down for some beer.
Make a
and brats.
decision on what it's going to be to feed 10 people and
Oh yeah.
go to town.
So guys, we're already looking forward. We're a little hungry. I'm hungry, but stick around, enjoy the show, and like I said, when it rains, it pours. Y'all will be flooded with content, guys. So thank you very much for watching.
We'll see you soon.